Students, back to the chemistry session. Here in continuation of the part of the retrosynthesis, MSc second year, last semester, paper number 417, that is we are discussing the retrosynthesis in aromatic compound. Retrosynthesis in aromatic compounds. If you are having these types of the compound, what is the name? These target molecules, what is the analysis path? As you can say, what is the analysis and then what? Synthesis. This is the para-methoxyacetophenone or 4-methoxyacetophenone. How it is obtained first of all. So, these types of the target molecules which contain the ether and carbonyl as a functional group. यहाँ पे कार्बोनिल और इथर दो फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. हाउ इट इज ऑब्टेन? as we know that this is the concept of the inductive effect, the basic point of here, the concept of inductive effect. So what is the basic behind this? As you can say, inductive effect. If we are having this CC disconnection, यहाँ पे हम CC disconnection करते हैं. So what happen? If you CC disconnection is takes place, what happen? There is a methoxy, this methoxy. It is formation of this methoxy. As you can say, this is the anisole, and this pH, this CH3 C double bond O, and this positively charged this synthon, and this synthetic equivalent CH3 C double bond O, and this is the chlorine atoms. So this is the acetyl chloride. It is what a acetyl chloride. As you can say, as you can take this, not only the chlorine but also the bromine atom, acetyl chloride as well as acetyl bromide. So methoxy group is here. So what is the here again analysis path? This methoxy, as you can say, anisole, it is obtained. So this is the hydroxy, this phenol plus what? CH3I methyl iodide. Again we can disconnect this phenol. How it is the phenol is obtained? As we know, this is the phenol is obtained by which types of the process, which types of the reactions. So but it is easily available in our laboratory. That's why we go to the part of the synthesis. What is the plan of the synthesis? First of all, we are having this is the phenol molecules. This phenol compound is here. This phenol is treated with what? A methyl iodide, CH3I, in presence of the basic condition. Base what happen? There is formation of what? This O methoxide. This is called as the anisole. Methoxybenzene, formation of this anisole is there. So it is reacted with what? CH3 C double bond OCl in presence of what? AlCl3 Lewis acid, AlCl3 what? Lewis acid. Then formation of what? Target compound, that is the methoxy is here, and this C double bond OCH3. Why this at a para position of this methoxy? Because of this methoxy, as you can say, this methoxy is what? It is a electron donating group. This electron donating group, it show the positive inductive effect, as you can say, plus I effect. Whenever the electron donating group is present on the benzene nucleus, then this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Here these types of the reaction is takes place what? Electrophilic substitution reaction. कौन सा रिएक्शन यहाँ पे होता है? इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन इज टेक्स प्लेस एट ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजीशन. आई एम राइटिंग नॉट द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन ESR is takes place ortho and para position. Why the ESR takes place ortho and para position? Whenever we are going to the resonating structure. When this is the methoxy group is present on the benzene nucleus and we are going to the resonating structure, the negatively charge is created at ortho and the para position. Negatively charge is created ortho and para position, more electron density. That's why this electrophilic substitution reaction. As you can say, CH3COCl, if it is reacted with the AlCl3, then formation of such types of the species, that is what? Acyl cation. Formation of what? Acyl cation. This acyl cation is treated with what? This is the nucleophilic in nature, and here nucleophilic in nature. This is the electrophilic substitution reaction is takes place at electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at ortho and para position. But this para is what? A major. The para product is major due to the absence of the steric crowding between what? Acetyl and methoxy group. That's why the target compound is obtained. This is the plan of synthesis, analysis followed by synthesis. Here analysis followed by synthesis, as you can say, this is the retrosynthesis. Here we have been discussed the part of the retrosynthetic analysis, retrosynthetic approach in aromatic compound, that is by using the 1 cc disconnection.